Live. Okay.
Hey.
Welcome. Hi, Jerry.
How about that? Hey, Doc. Welcome to everybody. This is the episode number 3 of the Jerry and
Dr. Laura Show,
Yay!
sponsored by the Auto Shop.
Auto Shop. We
in
are
beautiful Plano, Texas.
We are here at the Auto Shop. We're filming this at the Auto Shop, and we're trying to make it fun.
And remember, we still have turkeys. Gobble, gobble, gobble. How did you do the gobble, gobble? Do it again.
No, that's enough. No, maybe later. If they're still listening, for God's sake, we'll do it later. How's that?
That was so funny.
Oh my God, that's funny. Okay, so what we're going to do...
All right, so back to being serious.
Okay, behave.
One of the things that we want to share with you are the 20 reasons why it's bringing your vehicle to the auto shop here in Plano, Texas is the wisest thing that you can do for your vehicle. And Jerry, our fearless leader, is going to start us off.
Me? Thank you. Well, the very first reason that we can tell you is the best reason to come to the auto shop is we have a 3-year, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty on everything that we do.
Excellent. And we also, as a courtesy to all of our clients, have a free roadside assistance certificate. So with each repair, not including state inspections, we give you a certificate that if you get stuck at the side of the road, perhaps run out of gas, you need a tow, you lock your keys in your car, something like that, then you pay for whatever that service is, and then this will reimburse you up to $90 cash back. They actually send you a check. It's really cool.
Like a big toe or a little toe?
A pinky toe.
A pinky toe.
And it's no charge to you, so that's awesome.
Nice.
That's great.
I like that.
Yeah.
Number 3 is certified technicians. All of our techs are certified, and we really know how to fix your car. And what does that mean? Well, honestly, we fix them with a silver bullet. We actually go in and fix only what's wrong. We don't have to replace everything in the entire system to make your problem go away.
So you're like really good diagnosticians.
Boy, that's a tongue twister. Say it again.
You're really good at diagnosing.
Yes, we are. We've been known to do that.
Awesome. Okay, number 4, same as cash. So there's a credit card that, well, it's not a credit card really. It's 6 months, same as cash. It's basically 0% financing to help you to do your payments out if you need to split them into 3 payments or 4 payments or 6 payments, whatever you choose. And it's 0% as long as you make the payments. So that's an added bonus in case you're a little strapped for cash and you still need your car to be repaired.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
The benefits of doing business with the auto shop.
Another benefit is we work with most extended warranty companies. So even if you have a new car or a newer car and it still has an extended warranty that you paid for, most of the time we can work with that company and get all of that covered for you. Now you may have a deductible, but that of course is in the policy that you signed up for. But we can still work with most of the extended warranty companies.
The next benefit is that we have a free courtesy shuttle. The driver will either pick you up at your home or office, or after you've dropped your vehicle off, you would like a ride back home or to work. Or even if you are so busy you cannot bring your car in, we will come pick your car up and then deliver it back to you. That's a courtesy that we have as long as it's within a 10-mile radius of the auto shop.
Another benefit is we have discounted rental cars. So if you if your vehicle needs extended stay, right, then you can just let us know. We will make the arrangement for you, and they will either come pick you up or we will take you to their office and get. And what I mean by discounted rental rates is they're under $30 a day.
Yeah, that's awesome, especially for this area.
Yeah.
The next one is that, well, have you ever forgotten to do your state inspection? Let me tell you, it's a real hassle if you do, because if you forget to do your state inspection and it expires on your vehicle, then you actually have to go to the DMV and stand in line and get that all registered again. we send you a reminder postcard to help.
It's also a $265 ticket in the city of Plano if you get pulled over with an expired license plate or an expired sticker on your windshield.
You mean police will pull you over for not having a state inspection done?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, good to know. Yeah, so we'll send you a postcard and say, hey, it's time for your state inspection. That way you don't have the hassles of having to go to the DMV.
She is so stinking cute. Oh my God.
Oh, somebody didn't turn his phone to silent.
Yeah, well, stuff happens. Which brings me to mine, and that's we get fun newsletters. You get them in the mail. That's my department. I get to do that. So I get to send out all your fun newsletters, and we send them out every single month, and there's all kinds of fun stories in there. Very rarely is there anything about automobiles. There's all kinds of cooking and puzzles and things like that. And they're fun.
They're fun. I like the find a word things that are in there.
Oh yeah,
I think those. Oh, and there's trivia stuff in there too.
But if you've been a client of ours, you know how fun they are.
Yeah, you already know. Okay, the next one is reminder emails, letters, text messages. When you drop your vehicle off, you kind of wonder sometimes, especially if you're at work or at home, what's the progress on your vehicle? Well, we'll send you a text message that says, hey, the car has now been dispatched to the technician. And the next one is something like, hey, we've got the estimate ready. Give us a call and let's talk about your car. And then when you approve whatever repairs you approve, then it's okay, the parts have been ordered. It's kind of like, when you order a pizza and it says, we've got your order, and then now the pizza is being made, and then your pizza is now in the oven, and your pizza is ready. The driver is on its way. It's so convenient so that you don't have to worry or wonder, gee, did they even look at my vehicle today?
It's so funny listening to the doctor of health talk about ordering pizzas.
Well, they have a really good system. We have a really good system.
And how would you know that?
Well, I've heard it said. No, I've seen it. I've seen it.
Sorry.
All right, next.
My turn.
Yes.
Okay, my turn. We have digital inspections. Now, what does that mean to you? That means when the technicians are looking at your vehicle and they're telling us what's wrong with it, we take pictures of it and we put it into a report and we send you that through an email or a text message, and you can actually pull it up on your phone that was over there ringing, and you can actually see the photos and what they suggest for the repairs on your vehicle and why they're making that suggestion.
Cool, awesome. One of the biggest benefits and one of the things that people are always amazed about regarding the auto shop is how clean it is. I tell you, this
Cleanest shop you'll ever see.
The cleanest shop you will ever see. Our floors where the technicians work are hand mopped every week. This is a really big deal because our space is 35,000 square feet.
How big?
35,000 square feet, and they're hand mopped every week. Now the front is mopped as well. I mean, the front you expect where the customers are going to be is really clean. Where the technicians are and where your vehicle is also the cleanest shop you'll ever see. Your turn.
Oh, thank you. I was just mesmerized.
Aw.
We are environmentally friendly, and that's not just a word. I just want you to know that I was awarded Environmentalist of the Year for the entire state of Texas because I believe that being green makes sense for everybody.
It does.
And when you're a big shop, you want to make sure that I want to make sure that I lead by example, and we are setting the standard for how the environment needs to be taken care of. We don't use styrofoam here in the building. We have dishwashers. We actually use real plates in our lunchroom and our catering room. Forks and knives are real utensils. We recycle our mop water. We recycle coolant here. Everything that we can do is for the environment.
In fact, there are no floor drains in the shop, so none of the oil, grease, antifreeze, none of that goes down into the sewer system. It is all processed, and any of the sludge actually we pay to have taken away. The next one is, we are the shop you trust. Well, anyone can say that, but not everyone can say that they've been in business for 40 years. January 2021
will be 40 years.
40 years. And you know, a business doesn't survive that long if you can't trust them.
Just means I'm old.
Your turn.
Oh, really? Okay. We sell used cars. So I don't have a lot of inventory. I don't have a lot of inventory right now for a number of reasons. But the biggest thing for you is if you are looking for a vehicle and you know what you're looking for, let us know. We'll help you find it. And we can get it for you usually for a lot less money than what you're used to paying.
Excellent.
Your turn.
And we work on all makes and models. We had a Maserati here the other day. We've had Model Ts in here. And we have lots of Ford F-150s. I think that's one of my favorite trucks. Let's see, the Chevys, we even work on Priuses. You know, they do have brakes too. And Teslas. And
Did you just upset the Chevy truck drivers and the Dodge truck drivers and the Tacomas and the Tundras?
I don't know, did I?
I don't know. You can't say that.
Oh, I can't say I have a favorite?
No.
Okay, I don't have a favorite. We just see a lot of them. We see a lot of them, that's all.
That's why they're your favorite.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
God, that's funny. You're really going to get us in trouble.
That's all right.
Okay, this is only episode number 3. We're still learning. Okay, mine is AAA discounts.
AAA is awesome.
Let me tell you about AAA. Something most people have no concept of AAA. First of all, the auto shop, this company that I started in the driveway of my house almost 40 years ago, we were the first AAA approved repair facility in all of Collin County. I've been on AAA's board of advisors and I've been working with them since the early 80s. Now, what all that has to do with you is because we are a AAA shop, and if you are a AAA member, you have what is known as free arbitration. And what that means in the big picture is if we ever have an issue with anything that we've ever done on your car, what you need to do is you call AAA and you will identify yourself as a AAA member, and AAA will contact us. They will send an independent investigator who is an ASE master technician out to our facility. He will inspect your vehicle, look at our notes, see what we've done to the vehicle, talk with us, talk with you, and whatever that man says, or woman, we've had AAA has sent female technicians out here. So whatever they send, male or female, or I guess there's any one of the other 187 different genders. Oh, I'm sorry.
Now you're really upsetting.
Yeah, okay. But nonetheless, whatever the AAA representative says, we must abide by it. It is binding arbitration that's free to you as the consumer. That's the biggest deal ever that I see for everybody that's in AAA.
That is quite kind of like you're sticking your neck out a bit. That means that you really have to honor your work.
Absolutely. You have to not only have to honor your work, you have to do what you say you do.
Yeah. And that's part of why this is the shop you trust for the last 40 years, because you've been AAA approved since when?
Oh, well, it's been so long I forgot. But it was the early 80s.
Oh, wow.
You had to be in business, so with AAA you have to be in business at least 3 years. So it had to be 1984 or 85 when I became AAA certified.
Cool. Good for you.
And they actually, by the way, AAA comes in every year and they do an audit.
Yeah.
They come in and take 300 of our invoices in consecutive order, and they send a survey or they do a telephone survey to every one of our customers to make sure that we must be above 85% in customer satisfaction. And if we're not above that, they give us 30 days to fix that. And if we don't fix that or can't fix that, then they will come out and pull their signs, and we will lose our AAA affiliation. Huge deals for clients. It just, to me, it's just the best thing that a shop could be.
And another benefit is that you, as a client, also get AAA discounts here at the auto shop.
I forgot to mention that.
Yeah, that's true.
Son of a gun. Up to 50 bucks.
My turn. Okay. Oh, really? Cool. Okay, appointments can be made directly on our website. So you think about it in the middle of the night, or it's too early in the morning, or it's after hours. Just go to the website, www.theautoshop.com. And then you just click on schedule an appointment, and you just do that at your convenience. Choose the day and time. Our open hours are 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Excellent.
Very nice. And then if you're still doing the night owl thing, and after you've made the appointment and you don't have anything else to do, and you're just bring your car in, drop it off, pull it up to the front of the building here, grab the envelope that's in the little mailbox, fill it out, and push your key through the window, and we will take care of it in the first thing in the morning.
Yeah, and I'm just going to add something to that. That if when your vehicle is finished, you can't get here by 5:30, that's okay. You just pay for it online. At the bottom of our first page, you just pay. There's like a little pay now button, and then we park your car outside. We put the keys in a special lockbox for you, and give you the code, of course. And then that way you can pick up your vehicle when it's convenient for you. If you can't get here before 5:30, so that's the 20. You can.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, 20
And
reasons
by
why
the
doing
way,
business with the auto shop in Plano is where it's at.
And if you're looking to pay on the website, we do take donations.
Well, we don't.
No, we do. We give them to City House.
Oh yeah, the homeless shelter for children.
We are big supporters of Collin County's shelter for children, and we've been supporting City House for years and years. By the way, we're also a Christmas Cop drop-off point for toys and jackets and things like that. They will be picked up here in the next couple weeks.
Yeah, we'll talk about that more next time.
Okay.
All right, come in and get your turkey. Ha! Do the gobble gobble again. You're so funny.
The things you make me do.
Oh, you're so.
Oh my God.
You're so sweet.
Oh my God. Okay, folks.
Bye.
Thank you. See you next time. Remember the auto shop. I don't know what she's doing. She's changing all kinds of things. Bye-bye.